In the bustling city of Snackopolis, where the buildings were made of crackers and the streets flowed with rivers of fruit juice, there existed a team of heroes unlike any other. They were known as the Super Snack Squad, a group of superhero snacks dedicated to fighting hunger and ensuring that every child in the city had delicious, nutritious treats to enjoy. The squad was made up of 4 incredible members, each with their own unique powers and flavors. There was Captain Crispy, a brave and bold rice cake who could transform into any snack shape. Sweet Berry, a superheroine with the power to grow any fruit or vegetable from her hands. Nutty Buddy, a nut bar with the strength of 10 snacks and the heart of a lion. And last but not least, Cheesy Champ, a cheese stick who could stretch and bend to any length, reaching children in the highest towers or the deepest basements of Snackopolis. One day, the squad received an urgent message from Mayor Munch, the leader of Snackopolis. A new villain, Dr. Dull, had arrived in the city, threatening to replace all the snacks with bland, tasteless food, robbing the children of Snackopolis of the joy and nutrition they needed. Without a moment to lose, the Super Snack Squad sprang into action. Captain Crispy led the charge, transforming into a crispy, crunchy shield to protect the team from Dr. Dull's dreary food rays. Sweet Berry created a path of lush, edible plants, leading them straight to Dr. Dull's hideout, while Nutty Buddy used his incredible strength to break down the barriers blocking their way. As they confronted Dr. Dull, Cheesy Champ stretched and twisted around the villain, tying him up in knots. You may think bland food will prevail, but you underestimate the power of taste and nutrition, Cheesy Champ declared, his voice full of conviction. Dr. Dull, realizing he was no match for the Super Snack Squad's delicious powers, surrendered. I see now that variety and flavor are essential to happiness and health, he admitted, hanging his head in defeat. The people of Snackopolis cheered as the Super Snack Squad paraded through the city, having saved the day once again. But their mission wasn't over yet. The squad traveled from neighborhood to neighborhood, distributing tasty, nutritious snacks to every child, ensuring that no one went hungry. As the sun set over Snackopolis, the Super Snack Squad returned to their headquarters, their hearts full of joy. They knew that as long as hunger and blandness threatened their city, they would be there to fight it, one delicious snack at a time. And so, the Super Snack Squad became legends in Snackopolis, heroes who not only fought villains, but also brought smiles and satisfaction to children everywhere. Their adventures were a testament to the power of teamwork, nutrition, and the magic of a good snack.